Okay, this video is over on how to reflect over the y equals x line. So y equals x means that whatever x value we have is going to be the same y. So if I go over 1, then I go up 1. If I go over 2, I go up 2. If I go over 3, I go up 3. And same thing if I go the other way. If I go over -1, I go down -1. If I go over -2, I go down -2. If I go over -3, I go down -3. So our line looks like this. And so when I'm done reflecting, I should be able to fold my paper in half, and this should line up. Now the rule for this is that we're actually going to swap the x and y coordinates. So if we take a look at A, notice originally it was -3, 4, and I swapped the x and y. So the x coordinate here became the y coordinate for my image. And the y coordinate in my pre-image became the x coordinate of my image. So if we look at B, B prime is going to be us swapping the two coordinates so that it reads 1, -3. Notice I did not change the signs. I did not change anything about the numbers. I only swapped where they were located from their original location. Same thing for C prime. Notice my x coordinate is 0, so my new y coordinate for my C prime is going to be 0. And my y originally was 1, so when I swap it, it becomes the x coordinate of C prime. And so when I plug all those in, let's graph it now. So A prime is at 4, -3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So there's A prime. B is at 1, -3, B prime, so 1, and 1, 2, 3, so there is B prime. And C is at 1, 0, so 1 and 0, so C prime. And as you notice, there is my triangle, and if I was to fold that over the line, the red line that I drew, which is the y equals x line, they would perfectly match up. This is how you reflect over the y equals x.